Welcome back. You're watching Nation at 5 and once again getting you another breaking news input coming in. This is a CNN News 18 exclusive. The J&K police have filed a charge sheet linking the Saeed Ali Shah Gilani faction with the 2020 murder of J&K Bar Association member Advocate Babar Qadri, and according to sources, a lawyer of the Gilani faction hired the TRF, which is, remember, a Lashkar-backed terror outfit, to kill Babar Qadri. I want to go across to Anand Narasimhan joining us with more details. Anand, what do you think was the plot here? Was it to hurt the democratic process in Jammu and Kashmir?
It's a very interesting twist in this entire saga, and Babar Qadri was a young upcoming lawyer who was killed by terrorists on the 24th of September 2020 at his residence in Zahidpura. Now, during the initial investigation, 6 persons, including an active terrorist of the TRS, were found involved in this killing, and they were charge-sheeted before the Special NIA court in Srinagar in 2021. But in July 2023, the case was transferred for further investigation to the Special Investigations Task Force, or the agency SIA, in Jammu and Kashmir. And at that time, when the investigation was on, the family members of the deceased, that is Babar Qadri's families, got really suspicious about what was going on, because they're getting threatening calls and being pressurized to take up the case, and they're saying don't push forward with the case. But the SIA then, upon investigation, found oral documentary and also technical evidence that there was a direct involvement of Mia Qayyum. Now, Mia Qayyum is been not just a separatist, but he was also someone who was very active in the Kashmir Bar, and he controlled the entire Kashmir High Court Bar Association in Jammu and Kashmir High Court. And he was using that as a platform, not just as his fiefdom, but also to further his own secessionist agenda. And Babar Qadri had actually formed a separate bar association or a club of young lawyers who were against this entire kind of hegemony, and it was called the Kashmir Lawyers Club. He had also was planning to fight elections against Mia Abdul Qayyum, and that was not good. So this entire hunger for power, lust for power, is one that actually saw the death of a very, very talented and very bright lawyer who was very strong. In fact, he had a premonition on the day of his killing, so much so that he went live on Facebook a few hours before the incident, and he expressed fears of being eliminated, and that he really feared for life. And we have accessed that live stream also that he had gone on Facebook. So now it is now tying up to this entire case, and clearly it is Mia Qayyum, who was arrested in 25th June 2024 and is since lodged in the district jail in Jammu. He is also now named actively in this case. That's what the charge sheet now points.
Okay, very interesting. Many thanks, Anand, for breaking down all those important details. That's all the time we have. That's all we could pack for you in this edition of Nation at 5, heading into a short break.